Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Steve's Monumental Adventures. We're on episode 28 of series 2 and we're going to take a look at the Snake Pass in Derbyshire. The Snake Pass is located between Manchester and Sheffield on the A57. The actual location is between Ladybower and Glossop, and the highest point of the Snake Pass is 510 metres. The highest point can be found at Bleaklow. The road was engineered by Thomas Telford and it was opened in 1820 as a turnpike road. The road got its name from the famous pub that is on the route. This famous coaching inn was called the Snake Pass Inn.